Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Grok was unable to finish reply. Please try again later and or use the different model. So guys, if you are facing such type of issue, so guys you just follow this video. So guys, first thing is guys, quick refresh. So guys, click the option of retry or refresh. Sometimes the simple page reload is also take to get all the server back on track. Okay, so you simply go, just right click and refresh it once, your whole application. Second thing is guys, shorten your message. So guys, Grok work best with a smaller specified question. If your prompt is very long, so break it into the similar parts, okay, and similar questions. Okay, another thing is guys, use the model selector to temporarily swap to the different version of the Grok, like switching between the fun mode and the regular mode to see if it is respond. Like if I'm working on the fast mode, so currently it is not working, so I want to change my model. So like change expert, auto and any other models to check that it's just working with a specific model, it is not working with specified model or other applications, other models also. Okay, second thing is guys, check your internet connection. So guys, a weak Wi-Fi or the mobile data connection can cause the Grok to cut off. So try to turning your phone's aeroplane mode and off if you are using the Grok in the phone, and check that it's working or not. Still having the issue, so if you are using the desktop version, so guys please disable ad blocker and extension. Some extension block essential data that AI models need to reply, so turn off your extension and try again. Okay guys, also try to open in incognito mode. So guys, open a private or built or incognito tab and logged in with and build, because sometimes the cache created such type of issues. So if it is work in perfect in incognito mode, so guys it's time to need to clear your cache. For clearing the cache, you simply go for the option of menus. After that, simply go for the option of settings. So guys, here you go for not the setting, go for the history and open the history page and just wait. And guys, here you can see the option of delete browsing data. After that, here you go and delete from the devices. Okay, so this is the way that guys you can do. And if nothing else works, so sometimes the X server are simply down for the maintenance or having unusual busy day, so you can check the current server status on XAI Grok status page. If the status say it is operational but still cannot get reply, so your best bet is to wait and few hours before try again. So this is the way guys that you can fix it. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.